Hello there students, it's John here, your computer science course leader. I'm just going to show you how to put together and install Visual Studio 2019 and install Visual Basic.net, which is the language that we're going to cover at A-level. Firstly, you need to go to your favourite browser and type in Visual Studio 2019 in your favourite search engine. You'll get onto the Visual Studio website and you're looking to download the free Community Edition. When you install it, you'll get an exe link in the bottom corner or in your download folder, and you need to open that up, which will start the installation. The Visual Studio installer window will appear, and all you've got to do is click continue. Allow the Visual Studio installer to install the actual download itself. And then you'll be left with a window that looks like this. This is the actual language part where we're going to install the languages that we need. And for this, you're going to need the .NET Desktop Development section. So you just click the little box in the top right hand corner to accept that. And you don't need to change any of the settings. All the standard default settings are fine for us and what we need. I also develop in Python on the T level, so I'm going to install that package also, but you don't need to do that. And there's a range of languages that you can actually push into this software. But the only one we're focused on is the .NET Desktop Framework. And if you've clicked that box in the top right hand corner, if you look for the install button down by the right hand side, you click that and then that will install Visual Studio 2019 and the languages that you select. And all we've got to do next is wait. And with the power of a little bit of editing magic, our installation is complete. Visual Studio should launch automatically, and it may ask you to sign in. You don't have to do this, but your college account should allow you to sign in if you wish to do so. And then you're presented with this window, and it should look fairly familiar to you because this is what you do in lesson. You click Create a Project. Head over to the language drop-down box, change it to Visual Basic, scroll down until you reach Windows Form App.NET Framework. Click Next and you'll be expected to put in a project name and a location of where to save your projects. I'm going to save it to my desktop, I'm going to leave it called Windows App 1 and I'm going to create my project. And once that's complete, you'll see my Windows application form window, you'll see my Solution Explorer on the right, the properties in the bottom right hand corner, and my toolbox. And it's installing all my toolbox options at the minute, but they'll appear in just a second. And that is how you install Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition.